Churchable Mission VASEL 363 TNPSC UPSC Bank Examination Guidance to the Youth Part 24 Success is Yours. Here we are going to give you Economic Survey of India. There is a report we received how the Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharam has achieved in her job, in her ministerial post. It is a report for the period 2023 to 2024. Economic Survey. We are going to discuss in English. The translation part of Tamil is given in the description part in this video. You can take it as for the printout so that what we tell here you can study well and take it in up to the examination to make it memorize. Okay, now we can discuss Economic Survey of India 2024, or we can say 2023 to 2024. Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs Srimati Nirmala Sitharam, or he highlights and analyses organized by thematic chapters. State of the economy. Steady on the move, GDP, that is Gross Domestic Product. Growth forecasts. With the balanced risk, the Economic Survey predicts real GDP growth of 6.5 to 7%. Phased maintenance. India's economy has faced minimal impact. Real GDP growth. Real GDP grew by 8.2% in fiscal year, that is FY24. Fiscal year means this is the current year for which we can say fiscal year, FY24. Gross value added, that is GVA. We are giving the abbreviation and description in the same way. Gross value added, otherwise we call GVA, grew by 7.2% in FY24 at 2011 to 2012 prices, and net taxes increased by 19.1% at constant prices. Inflation management. Retail inflation was reduced from 6.7% in FY23 to 5.4% in FY24 due to effective administrative and monetary policies. Current account deficit, CAD. Current account deficit, CAD, improved to 0.7% of GDP in FY24 from 2% in FY23. Tax collection. 55% of the tax is collected from direct taxes and 45% from indirect taxes. Welfare schemes. Government assured free food grains to 81.4 crore people. Money management and financial intermediation. Sustainability. Banking sector performance. India's banking and finance sectors performed well in FY24. Policy rate. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has maintained a stable policy rate and kept the policy repo rate at 6.5%. Credit growth. Credit disbursement of scheduled commercial banks (SCB). You can find the description. Scheduled commercial banks SCB reached rupees 164.3 lakhs crore in March 2024 with a growth of 20.2%. Broad money M3 growth. Excluding the HDFC merger, M3 grew by 11.2% year-on-year as on 22nd March 2024. Market capitalization. The market capitalization to GDP ratio of the Indian stock market is the fifth largest in the world. Financial content. Prices and inflation under control. Retail inflation maintained at 5.4% in FY24. Fuel prices. To reduce retail fuel inflation, the central government has announced a reduction in prices of LPG, petrol and diesel. Core inflation. Inflation in core services is to 9-year low. Core commodity inflation fell to a 4-year low. External sector. Stability amid plenty. Geopolitical challenges. Despite geopolitical interference, India's external sector remains strong. Logistics Performance Index improved from 44th in 2018 to 38th in 2023 out of 130 countries. India is the world largest remittance recipient with billions of US dollars. External debt. External debt to GDP ratio stood at 18.7% at the end of March 2024. Power generation. The power generation reached 45.4% of capacity. Emission reduction. The emission intensity of GDP has been reduced by 33% from 2005 to 2019. Energy savings. The annual energy saving is 51 million tons of oil equivalent, resulting in annual cost savings of 1.94,320 crores. Green bonds. Rupees 16,000 crore in January to February 2023 and rupees 20,000 crore in October-December 2023. Social sector. Benefits of empowerment. Welfare impact. Digitalization of health, education and governance has increased the impact per rupee spent. Welfare expenditure growth. Nominal GDP grew at a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 9.5%. Reduction in inequality. The Gini coefficient has decreased in both rural and urban sectors. Ayushman Bharat, 34.7 crore cards generated, 7.37 crore hospitalized, mental health care 22 mental disorders are covered under Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. Early childhood education. The Boshan B. Pada B project aims to create the world's largest global high-quality preschool network of Anganwadi centers. Please check the Tamil version in the above video 363 in Tamil is given in the description side. Make it print out and read every time so as to find the important economy development of India, the latest current affairs of this will help you even to go and write for IAS, IPS, Group 1, Group 2. Thank you.